Video today we have the Ace Hardware deals. We got the buy one get one free promos from different brands at Ace Hardware. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Also, before we get started with this video, I want to give a quick thanks to all my subscribers. We did hit the 10k mark, the 10,000 subscriber mark in this channel. So big shout out to everybody that subscribed. Hit the like button, hit the bell icon, and do the comments in every video supporting this channel. So big shout out to you if you're watching this. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this before. Let's see here. We got red hot buys valid June 1st through 29th. It says Ace Hardware Craftsman tools for everyday project. Alright, the first that we have here is that we got the Craftsman 308 piece mechanics tool set for $199. Looks like you get some nice dividers here, some nice organizers with the tools, so you guys can put in your toolbox. You got Craftsman power tools. It says, alright, so I can't really see this, it's kind of blurry. So $59.99 each, so I guess maybe these are it. Yeah, so 59 bucks a piece. And then you got a 2-pack of batteries there at the bottom. And then here on the right, you got some deals. This says Craftsman tools and accessories, $9.99 each. So there you go, guys. Maybe for this, got a nice tool bag, big tool bag on the back. You got a wrench set here, pouch. You got an extension set there, and then you got some socket sets here with the case and a smaller set there for $9.99 each. I think that those are great deals, especially these little sets. You know, make great gifts for the dad or for the brother and stuff like that. So it says your choice, 99 cents. Let's see, we got a hose here. Smart Flow Max 50 feet premium garden hose, $24.99. We got Fat Max 25-foot tape measure. So pretty much the standard for the job site, $9.99. So these are great tape measures. All right, let's see here what else we have. We got Ace 50 feet off-season garden hose, $11.99. All right, let's see. All right, guys. So we were coming here to the pro level tools. Starting here, we got the DeWalt. It's a great deal. Got the DeWalt 1220 volt max lithium battery and charger kit at $149. So you buy this, get one of these free. So basically, it looks like a 4 amp hour. If I'm not wrong, I'm gonna click on it, see where it takes me. It's not taking me anywhere. It looks like a 4 amp hour kit here, a 4 amp hour battery. Let me know that in the comment section if you guys, if I'm wrong, but it looks like a 4 there. It does come with the charger, and it seems like you get one of these tools for free. So $149. I think that's a fairly good. That's a really good deal. I know there's a few rumors out there, and a lot of YouTubers already posted, including myself, that in other stores we're having I believe a 3 amp hour starter kit and a free tool in other stores. So this one being a 4, you're paying a little bit more, but you're getting some nice tools here, brushless tools. Definitely these are worth it. I do have this one. I do have the Atomic. This thing is amazing. It's probably the best tool, the best oscillating tool I've ever used. You got the, what is this? The mini circ saw here, the 4.5, and then you got the reciprocating saw. One-handed reciprocating saw. Great tools. All right, the next deal that we have, we got the Milwaukee M18 fuel lithium iron hammer drill and impact driver kit, $3.99. So this is definitely worth it. I believe they do come with HO batteries. It looks like HO battery there. Like I said, oh, it's over here to the right. I wish I could make this bigger here. It says description. Yeah, it's not. It's hard to see, but my guess is they're HO batteries. Yeah, so it looks like HO batteries, a charger. It says buy this, get this free. So you get one-handed reciprocating saw, or the flashlight, or actually both of these. So you buy this kit and you get both of these free. Alright, for the pack out, you got the Milwaukee pack out impact resistant rolling toolbox. It says $129. You buy this, get this free, so you get this pack out organizer. So it's a nice little deal. You know, it's not the best deal we've seen like Christmas, but you know what? It's actually pretty good because this thing by itself is $40 or so. Just keep that in mind. They're taking like 30 or $40 off of this. That makes a difference. All right, got some more deals here. We got the Your Choice at $6.99. It says the DeWalt screwdriver and bit set, 31 piece. You got the 7 1/4 circular circ saw. You got the Irwin 5-piece speed bore wood boring bit set. You get the DeWalt 6-piece reciprocating saw blade set. You get a 7-piece masonry drill bit set. And yeah. So those are all the $6.99 deals. You got some $19.99 deals here. It says Ace Tool accessory set, combination pliers, wrench set, 100-piece screwdriver and bit set, 253-piece drill and driver bit set, 44-piece tool set. So you got some nice cases here. Definitely, these are really small. Oh yeah, we can make them bigger here. So that's the 100-piece screwdriver and bit set. It's not bad. This is the plier set that they have. It's an Ace hardware brand. Still great deal. These are great tools. These look like great tools. It's a nice homeowner DIY tool set there. It's a nice bit set here. 53 piece with the case. It's a really nice case for $19.99. I would think this is home grade, you know, DIY use. You get a pressure washer, AR Blue Clean, 1600 psi electric pressure washer, 12 amp motor, 1.4 gallons per minute, 19 feet hose. Adjustable spray gun there for it seems like it does have a foam, not a foam, but a soap dispenser there. So $119 for that. It's down to $109 if you guys use the rewards card, and it's very easy to sign up for that. If you guys, it's just all you do is just give me your email and your name and stuff like that. It says Your Choice $49.99. You got hand tools, accessories, Bosch, self-leveling cross lined laser, Craftsman 3/8 drive, microfiber torque wrench, gear wrench, 20-piece ratcheting combination wrench set, 21-piece socket accessory set, 63-piece metric SAE mechanics tool set. So these are definitely some nice, especially this gear wrench. Yeah, this is definitely a nice kit here. This gear wrench ratcheting set. That is definitely a nice set there. Got some grills here, $7.99, $6.99, $5. So there you go, guys. If you guys want to look at those grills, you guys can pause or rewind the video. You get a griddle, $3.99. Let's see what else. All right, got some mowers here. It says Eagle, beautiful yard begins with the right tools, and it is true, by the way. Just makes it easier on you. $549 Eagle Power 56-volt self-propelled mower. $549. I believe this is not the crosscut. So I know there's another model on top of this one. It is the crosscut. I believe that's $5.99 or $6.99, something like that. So this is middle grade. Steel self-propelled unit there. It's a really nice mower. It's one of the newest. Does have the headlights there. $179 for the Eagle Power 56-volt string trimmer and blower. This is a 530 CFM handheld blower. And this is, what size is this string? It says 15-inch cut. So that's the 15-inch string trimmer. You got the Tor Recycler high wheel self-propelled mower, $339. You got the Tor Recycler Smart Tow personal pace self-propelled mower. And it does have the vertical storage capability. $399 for this one. Alright, you got the buy one get one 50% off from DeWalt. It's not a bad deal if you guys think about it. You're getting another tool for $99 basically. So you got, it says DeWalt 24V Max XR lithium handheld blower, string trimmer, edge trimmer for $199. You get the second one at $100 basically. Alright, this one, you got the Craftsman V20 weed whacker string trimmer blower combo kit for $99.99. So this is good for a smaller yard. Just to let you guys know, if you guys are new to tools and outdoor power equipment, You gotta look at the CF every time you're buying a blower or something like this. Look at the CFM. If it's above 400 CFM, that's a good blower. This one seems to be 340. This DeWalt's, my guess is like 450. So definitely check it out. If you guys got a small yard or like a condo or something like that, or just a smaller unit, this is definitely gonna work for you. But if you got something normal, a normal yard, I would at least go DeWalt or Milwaukee or other brands there. All right, let's see what else we have. We got a nice shop light or work light here for $49. It says Ace LED tripod work light, $49.99. We got some Flex products here, $12.99. We got some batteries, $2. What else we have? We got some paint. We got a fan for $24.99. We got some protection. It says KN95 disposable face masks pack of 10, $17.99. We got some oil, pencil oil, quart, I guess, $4.49. Yeah, looks like that's it, guys. Yeah, definitely some great deals, especially with this DeWalt and all these little tools here. Definitely some, it'll add up if you give it to dad or, brother or son or whatnot. So definitely check it out. Lots of great deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.